Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Diecast Chronicles. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 2025 Hot Wheels L case. L case has just landed in my place, and do let me know in comments which case have you got. Is it the L case or is it the M case, or if you're lucky you should be able to get both of it. But in my place it is the L case. Without wasting time, let's unbox it. Before I show it to you, I would urge you to please like, comment and subscribe. Without wasting time, let's unbox this. Now I'll be showing you the 2025 Hot Wheels L case cars. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and do let me know which case have you got now. At first, I would like to show you the Ferrari F40. This is from the Hot Wheels Exotics. Overall, I love this casting, and in fact, Ferrari and Hot Wheels is back after 10 years. So this is a very nice car, and I'm very happy to have it in my collection. Let's move on to the next one. The next car that I'm going to show you is another very nice car. This is the 2013 SRT Viper, and this is from the series Then and Now. The other car from this series is a Dodge Viper GTS in purple color. Even that was a very nice casting, and do look out for that, and hopefully you guys complete the Then and Now series. Overall, this is a nice casting too, and I love the color combination. Let's move on to the next one. The next car that I'm going to show you is the Subaru BRZ. This is from the Hot Wheels J Imports. Overall, this is a very nice casting, and I'm very happy to have it in my collection. So do let me know in comments which one is your favorite from this case, and which case do you actually have in your area. In most of the places, it is either L or M, and in very few places, they have both the cases. Up next, I want to show you the Land Rover Defender 90. This is from the series Then and Now. Again, this is a very nice casting, and I'm very happy Hot Wheels got it back this year. This, in fact, came back in 2023, and that was a nice casting in brown color. And this has come this year in the cream color. This is the Land Rover Defender 90. Let's move on to the next casting. The next casting that we have is the Custom 18 Ford Mustang GT from Mustang 60. So look at this epic car here. This is very nice, and the color combination here, the purple and the white wheels matches very well. And this car comes with a spoiler, and many of them are liking this car, and even I love this casting. So let's move on to the next one there. Up next, I have this 70 Plymouth Superbird. In fact, many of them are not picking this casting. I do not know why. This is a very cool casting, and it is mostly found on pics. So if you guys are lucky, or if you don't have it in your collection, you can easily find this. And this is from the HW Art Cars, so that is why you see a lot of artwork. Let's move on to the next cars. The next cars that I'm going to show you is very nice ones, and I am very happy that LKS is loaded with a lot of them. Up next, I want to show you the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. This is again from the series Then and Now. Again, this is a very cool casting, and Porsche fans should have it in their collection. It is very well detailed. The front headlights is detailed, and then this again comes with the spoiler, and this is a very overall a very good car. So this is the Porsche here, and I'm very happy that this came in L case. This will be again coming in the M case, so do not worry. Let's move on to the next casting. The next casting that I have is the Porsche 904 Carrera GTS. In fact, this came in red and grey color last year, and this year it is back. This is from the series HW Race Day, and this black color is a very cool combination with those tires. So do let me know which one do you prefer. Do you prefer the red Porsche or the black Porsche? Let's move on to the next casting. So the next casting that I want to show to you is the Lotus Cortina from Compact Kings. This is again new for 2025. Overall, this is a very cool classic casting, and this is plain, and that is what I like in this casting. If they had a lot of details, that is the decals, it wouldn't look much better. So this is the Lotus Cortina, and let's move on to the next set of cars, and there's the detailing on the base. So do let me know what do you think about this casting. Let's move on to the next set of cars, and the next set of cars is the treasure hunt for the L case. That is the 2025 Hot Wheels L case. This is the Honda S800 Racing. This is again from the series Compact Kings, and then you have the treasure hunt logo there at the back, and then you even have the silver flame, which I'm not able to show it to you in this video, but there's that silver flame which that exists. So this is the front, and then talking about the rear end. So this is the rear end. This is the treasure hunt, guys. This only comes one in a case. So do let me know in comments if you have already found it. And so this is a very nice one. Let's move on to the next casting. The next casting that I'm going to show you is everyone's favorite, and this is new for 2025. This is the Ferrari 365 GT and this is from the series Race Day. Do let me know which Ferrari is your favorite from this year. We had the Ferrari SF90 Straddle from the J case, then we have the Ferrari F40 from the K case, and then we have this new Ferrari for the L case and M case. Do let me know which one is your favorite, and this is one of my favorites, and I have added it in my collection, and I'm very happy. Let's move on to the next casting. The next casting that I'm going to show you is the Bugatti EB110. This in fact is this is the regular version of the Super Treasure Hunt. If you're very lucky, you should be able to find the Super Treasure Hunt version of this. And that obviously comes with the Spectra flame paint and rubber tires. And this car comes with the spoiler. Overall, this is only one in a case, and this is a very cool casting, and you should have it in your collection. This is the Bugatti EB110 Super Sport. Let's move on to the next set of cars. L case is again loaded with a lot of cars, but M case is more interesting because it has all the cars from L case and even more cars from the M case. Let's move on to the next casting here. The next casting is again new for 2025. This is the Alfa Romeo, and this is from the series Compact Kings. Overall, this is very detailed, and I love the casting. It is plain, and it gives you the classic feeling. This comes with the number plate detail and the painted tail lamp. So overall, this is a good casting, and many of them are not opting out for it. And let's move on to the next set of cars. Up next, we have the Tesla Cyberquad. This is again new for 2025, and it had come in the earlier cases. This is from the series HW Dirt. So overall, this is a nice casting, but it is not very well detailed. Obviously, it is the Cyberquad. So overall, it is a nice one, and you can have it in your collection. So this is the Tesla Cyberquad. Do let me know in comments what do you think about this casting. Let's move on to the next car. The next car that I want to show to you is the Audi 90 Quattro. This is from the series Peak Pursuit. Overall, this is again a very nice casting, and this had come in the K case, and it is coming back in the L case. It is a very nice casting, and it is very well detailed, and it is little heavier too. Overall, this is a nice casting, and I in fact missed it when it came in 2023. So this was the Audi 90 Quattro. Let's move on to the next car. The next car that I'm going to show you is the McLaren Speedtail from the series HW Exotics. All the cars from HW Exotic series is very nice, and this is the McLaren Speedtail. In fact, if you were lucky, you should be able to find the Super Treasure Hunt version from the previous case. So this is the McLaren Speedtail, and overall this is a very nice casting. So let's move on to next set of cars. The next car that I want to show you is the Dodge Coronet Super B. Overall, this is the yellow color what I like in this casting, and it matches so well. It has the detailing in the front there, and then there's a Dodge written, and then at the rear end here, so it is very nice. So this is from the series Muscle Mania. Obviously, this is a muscle car, and this comes with a chrome base. This is the Dodge Coronet Super B. Let's move on to the next car. The next car that I'm going to show you is the Honda Civic Custom from the series HW Reverse Rake. Overall, this is a very nice casting again, and there's a lot of color combination that they have used. More likely, it has a lot of artwork. Overall, this is a nice casting, nice cute little one, and this comes with a lot of details too. And this is the Honda Civic Custom. Let's move on to the next set of cars. has a lot of cars, and even the fantasy castings are very nice. So now let me show to you. Up next we have this very special car. Though this is a fantasy casting, it has a very good history and this is a very popular figure. I won't be telling about it in the video. Do let me know in comments what is this. I know what it is, but I want to know if others know it. This is the quick chat, and this is from the series heads of the Xperi Motors. I even love the keychain, the Porsche keychain which came in the series, and this is in fact the telephone. So you guys should be able to guess which one it is. So do let me know which one it is. And this is a very good casting and you should have it in your collection. Let's move on to the next set of cars. Up next I want to show you the Chevy Blazer Custom. This is from the series HW Dirt. This is the first time that you're getting the Blazer Custom in mainline series, because every time it came in the premium or the semi-premium series. So overall this is a very nice casting too, and it is little heavier compared to other castings. And this comes with a chrome base too. This is the Chevy Blazer Custom. Let's move on to the next cars. The next car that I want to show you is the 66 Buick Riviera. This is from the series HW Modified. This is again new for 2025. Overall this is a very nice casting. We got cases only from J case and we missed the other cases before J. And before J there was this other recolor of this casting, but this is not a bad recolor. Overall this comes in a black color and it matches the car very well. And this again comes with the chrome base. This is the Buick Riviera. Let's move on to the next set of cars. Up next we have the Ford Escort in this beautiful purple color, and it has a lot of decals on it. Showing you the front, this has the details there, the headlights, and this is from the Compact King series. And then talking about the rear end, it is quite plain. Overall this is a nice casting and I didn't have it in my collection, so that is why I added it. It's up to you if you want to add it or not. Let's move on to the next set of cars. The next car that I'm going to show you is the custom Kia EV6. Again this is new for 2025. This is from the HW EV series. Overall this is a good casting and it has a lot of artwork, that is the decals, and there's the Kia EV6 written there, and then this is the rear end there. Overall this is a nice casting and this is new for 2025. This is the custom Kia EV6. Let's move on to the next casting. The next casting that I'm going to show you is the Ford Mustang Dark Horse from the series Then and Now. I actually prefer the Dark Horse which came last year in the blue color, and it was very well detailed. Compared to that, this is not very well detailed. So what do you prefer? Do you like this one or the blue one? This is the Ford Mustang Dark Horse. So guys, this was the video. This was the 2025 Hot Wheels LKS video. It is loaded with a lot of cool cars. So do let me know which one is your favorite. Like, comment and subscribe. And do check out my other videos. Follow us on Instagram. See you guys in my next video.